We are the One-Shot Corporation market leaders for ice cream, gelato, frozen yogurt, and sorbet pod dispensers. Don't forget, we are fast approaching 2 billion portions consumed globally, and no sanitizing is required, a real game changer. We have a trade show coming up held 23rd to 25th September 2019 at the Rotterdam Ahoy in Holland. You can find us on stand 3205 with our European strategic ice cream manufacturing partners, La Venezia, dispensing their delicious Il Primo products from our machines. These amazing flavors have helped contributors win awards, and you will be quite amazed by their incredible great taste. Indeed, a great taste is no understatement. More shows, more dealers, and more customers. Stay tuned, more exciting news stories to follow.